Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you stopped by. Today's video is another in my Cloud Effect Color Pour series, and I'm going to be using blue today, so I cannot wait to get started. Okay everybody, so the painting is dry and I got some really nice blue clouds, so I hope you are enjoying this series as much as I am. If you have stuck around this long, I would appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button and then hit the notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. I do have a Facebook group. It's called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. I would love for you guys to go there, post your paintings, your links. You can see everybody else's paintings as well. And I do again appreciate you guys stopping by. You have a great day.